Hey heat printers, I'm Mia and welcome back to the Transfer Express channel. Today we're talking about one of the easiest ways to make your apparel line feel polished, premium, and retail ready. Goof Proof Premium. Whether you're designing for a corporate staff, team, or streetwear brand, Goof Proof Premium gives your garment that upgraded, boutique level finish without adding any extra time or effort. Today I'm breaking down exactly what makes Goof Proof Premium special. We'll look at corporate apparel examples, streetwear placements, and I'll press a few so you can see everything firsthand. Let's get into it. So let's talk about what makes Goof Proof Premium different. Compared to our classic Goof Proof, the premium version has a softer hand feel. That means you get the same traditional screen printed look, just softer to the touch. It also offers a thinner deposit, which is great for corporate apparel or fashion brands. You get a smoother matte finish, which looks more elevated and high-end, and it comes on a clear frosted carrier, which makes it easy for alignment and more efficient production. The next piece of the puzzle is your blank, because high-end printing starts with high-end fabric. Here are some great blank choices for premium quality apparel. For streetwear or fashion brands, heavyweight tees are always a good idea. Drop shoulder fleece crew necks, oversized hoodies, and garment dyed tees for a vintage look. For corporate apparel, think things like polos, quarter zips, fleece vests, button-ups, or lightweight performance tees. These blanks instantly increase the perceived value of your finished product. And when you add Goof Proof Premium on top, it looks like something straight out of a retail store. Now let's talk about designing for a premium look. Your artwork has a huge impact on how premium your product feels. One design idea is minimalist branding. Think small left chest logos, clean typography, or monograms. This is perfect for businesses or elevated fashion lines. Next up is oversized prints. This is stuff like back prints, oversized graphics, or center chest iconography. These designs work beautifully on heavyweight tees or hoodies. Tone-on-tone designs are really trending right now. You can use subtle color on color like cream on ivory or black on charcoal. It looks like something expensive and understated, fresh out of a boutique. Last is simplified corporate branding. No more huge, loud logos. Today's corporate apparel trends are minimal and modern. Some examples of this are small left chest logos, sleeve placements, or monogram initials for a more elevated look. We're gonna start with the corporate option. I'm gonna use this cardigan here, which is quite fitting for the cooler weather. We're gonna add a left chest logo here. Our Horizon Consulting is small, it's clean, it's professional, and timeless. I have our 6x10 platen here. On our Hotronix Fusion, I'm just gonna go ahead and drape our cardigan right over. I like to use the smaller platen because it really isolates the print area so I don't have any seams or folds from the cardigan. So we're gonna go ahead and pre-press. This is just gonna remove any moisture or wrinkles from the fabric. Now, when you are using a smaller platen, you wanna make sure that you are checking your pressure so that it is still accurate. Now that our cardigan is pressed, we have no moisture, no wrinkles, we're gonna go ahead and lay out our Goof Proof Premium transfer. And then we are going to press. For Goof Proof Premium, we're pressing at 320 with a medium to firm pressure for 10 seconds. And it is a hot peel, so we're just gonna go ahead and remove our carrier. And there you have it, a fresh cardigan pressed with Goof Proof Premium. For our next example, we're gonna use a heavyweight tee for a streetwear or fashion brand, but you see I switched out my platen. This is our standard 16x20. Now we're gonna take our t-shirt here. I'm gonna do a clean front graphic and then a large graphic on the back. So we'll load our t-shirt on the platen here. Make sure that we don't have any collars or seams on the platen just because we wanna have even pressure. Now we're gonna go ahead and pre-press for 4 seconds to remove any moisture or wrinkles from the fabric. Now we're gonna take our Worldwide Collective Goof Proof Premium transfer and place it about, let's do 4 fingers down from the collar here. Make sure that it's in the center of your shirt. Alrighty, now that we have our transfer laid out, we're gonna go ahead and press. Same settings, 320 medium to firm pressure for 10 seconds. and same hop heel. That is our front graphic complete. Now let's do the back. So we're just gonna turn our shirt around. Again, remove any seams or collars and pre-press. Now for this one, we're gonna place a larger graphic on the back. This Goof Proof Premium transfer works so well on thick tees because the finish is really soft and elevated, not plasticky and heavy. So our garment is pre-pressed. We're gonna go ahead and lay this right across the back of the tee. Now, same thing with the back design placements. You wanna make sure that it's not too low, that it touches the bottom of the shirt, but you also don't want it up near the collar. Now that we have our transfer laid out, we're gonna go ahead and press. Go ahead and remove our carrier. Now, this looks like something that you would find in a boutique or a streetwear shop. With Goof Proof Premium, you get the best of both worlds. The high-end feel that customers love, the speed and simplicity of heat printing, low order minimums so you can test designs affordably, and a finish that works on both fashion and corporate apparel. It's one of the easiest ways to instantly make your products feel more expensive without adding any complicated steps to your workflow. And that is how you create high-end apparel using Goof Proof Premium. If you learned something new today or feel inspired to level up your product line, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already, turn on that bell notification so that you never miss an upload from us, and head over to transferexpress.com to start designing your premium products today. Till next time, happy heat printing!